Hello friends, I am Jasjot Singh, student of NMIT Global Campus Auckland. Today I will show you how to create the stack for AWS for Windows Server. And after creating the stack, we will create the CloudFormer stack also, that from which we will get the template. And we will edit the template and we will run the template in another region. So what do we understand by the template? Template is just the coding that all the resources which are created during the creation of the stack are automatically fetched or copied in the template, and if we will run the template in another region, we have no need to create the resources one by one. Just we will run the template and the resources were created automatically. So I will show you through steps. Firstly, we have to go to launch the quick start of the AWS. Here I will select scenario 3 for the creation of the ADDS stack. I have already created the stack, but I will show you that how to create. Just click on the next. In the specify details, we have to select the availability zone. Two availability zones should be there. Key pair name, either you can create a new key pair or you can proceed with the existing one. Here I have created the key pair and I will go with that one, like ADDS. Domain name, I have to enter the domain name and NetBIOS name. Domain admin password, which will help me to further remote login. So password I will enter. Leave the default setting as it is and click on the next. Here I have to enter the value for the key. And for value, I will select ADDS stack. Just click on the next. And after acknowledging this, when I will click on the create, then the stack will start creating. But I have already created that, so I will cancel. Here the stack are created, ADDS, and the status is that stack is completed. After I will create CloudFormer stack. For that, I will click on create, select a sample template, CloudFormer, click on the next. Here I have to give the password, same for the case. Username through which I can log in into the remote desktop. Value I will give leave the default setting as it is and click on the next. So when I will acknowledge it and click on the create, then the CloudFormer stack will start creating. But already I have created like ADDS stack, so I will cancel that. So now I have to design a template. So for that, select the CloudFormer stack. Go to the output and click on the link. Here the link is there for creating the template. Click on the create template. So in the description I will give ADDS stack. Continue. We have to proceed through different steps, and at the end a template will be created. Continue. So here we have to select the VPC for the CloudFormer. So we will select the VPC, and after that we will continue and we will proceed with the steps, and at the last the template will be created. So I have already created the template, so I will show you. I have copied the template and pasted into Notepad++. So side by side we will see the new template and the edited one. So here I have to edit the template related to VPC, subnets, and IGW, internet gateways, etc. So one by one we will select that. So IGW is there. So I have to edit the code of the IGW with 1 or 2 or any value. So here I will also find IGW. So it is the original code 41972A3. So I have replaced that with the IGW1 because internet gateway is 1. So I have edited all the text with 1. And after that we will find the DHCP. Yeah, here is the DHCP. So we will also edit that. After editing all the codes, we will copy the template and save it in our desktop. So after that we will run the same template into another region. Here I am in a different region, which is North Virginia, and I will run the template which I have edited later. So for that I will open, go to local file and select where I have pasted the last one, template. So I have already pasted that, so I will run. It is showing the error related to IGWC2. So we will see the error. Because the internet gateway is always 1, so I will edit the template and give a same number to all the IGWs. So I have made another template. So after editing IGW1, IGW2, IGW3 with the IGW1, I have resolved that error and see that the template is created and it is showing subnet 1, subnet 2 and IGW also. So after editing everything like subnet, access control list, IGW, all the resources will be created. Like here it is ACL, access control list, RTB, subnet 1, and everything, every resource will be there. So in this way we can edit the template and run it in another region. So now I will show you that it is the different region, that we have created stack in the Oregon and we run the template in the North Virginia. The template is in JSON language, which can be easily understood by humans and can be easily edited. Here I will show you that number of instances and number of resources are created during the creation of the stack. So for that, go to the EC2. Instances are created automatically when creating the stack. So different resources like internet gateways, 3 internet gateways are also created. Number of subnets, they are created automatically during the creation of the stack. So we have no need to create one by one. So thanks for watching.